Hey guys, Rachel here. I'm about to show you a brand new 2024 SANDPIPER, and it is absolutely stunning. It's got 2 bedrooms and a loft. So if you have a big old family and you need some space, this is the fifth wheel. This is the RV to buy. So I want to show you because it's beautiful, but it's also because it's got a beautiful layout. It's just very different and it's spacious. So I'm excited to show you. Here we go. It's got about four slides, a couple of really long ones. We got tons of storage as usual. We got our awnings. So 2 awnings over here, so plenty of shade. Let's take a look inside. All right, right away you see how beautiful it is. It's got that light wood, which I love the white wood. I love the contrast that they actually have in here is really, really nice and makes it look bigger, spacious. Love it. Of course, I love that. Love that fridge. I mean, I love all the residential fridges that they have in here because they're just so much better than mine. So I am a little bit jealous, but love it. You got a 3 burner, you got a big old oven, big old microwave, and of course tons of storage here. You can put this up and down. You got solid surface countertops and this big old sink. Love it. You've got a table that you can put down, so table and chairs and your theater seating. Across from that, of course, is your entertainment, your fireplace, and your pantry. So we've got a giant pantry here hidden behind the entertainment. Who doesn't love that? I know the kids do anyway. They love that hidden pantry. You've got another one over here which does have a ton of room. You got a little coffee table or counter, and of course more storage, more cupboards and stuff like that. So, and then more over here as well. Very nice. So over to my right is the first or one of the bedrooms. There you go. Nice and big. You do take a step down, but again, you've got plenty of space on both sides to get right into bed. You've got little tables on each side, plug-ins, all that you need. And then just to have another look at this, you can put your entertainment over there. Tons of space for your clothes. I love that. And you have your own bathroom. So it comes with a shower as well. So plenty of room, and you have your own door. I mean, so there is a ton of privacy in just this side of the RV. Up above it is the loft. Again, plenty of space, plenty of storage. Kiddos love it. I love it. All right. Down on the other side is the first door is the bathroom, of course. It's beautiful. Nice and big. You got your own chair in here to sit. And I love that they have this shelf right here. Very different. But again, plenty of space in here for all your needs. And then the next is our master bedroom. Plenty of space here as well. You've got some cubbies, you've got some tables on the side. You've got a dresser as well, and your entertainment can go up there. You have a washer and dryer prep. And a giant closet, which goes all the way through, but I'm going to open this side. There you go. Very nice. So plenty of room, plenty of storage, plenty of space in this, and plenty of beds to sleep. So let me know what you guys think. You know that all my information is in the description. But I would love to hear what you think. And if you want more information, just please let me know. I will be happy to share that with you. Come by and see me. Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel.